Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we would be discussing about few jewelry hacks that I use to reuse my jewelry collection, whatever I have. So आइए देखते हैं मेरे पास क्या क्या jewelry collection है और उसको मैं किस तरह से use करती हूँ with western outfit especially. So obviously today I am wearing an Indian outfit with a bindi to look more Indian, but yes, these are the ornaments which I use with western outfit more. So the first one is this Mang Tika. So this is actually not a Mang Tika, but it is a necklace, and this gives a very Indian look when you wear it like a Mang Tika, but it completely changes the picture when you wear it as a necklace. So I'll quickly show you how I just convert it into a Mang Tika. That's how I just added a bobby pin at the back and it became a Mang Tika. I'll quickly put it in my neck and आपको मैं दिखाती हूँ किस तरह से इसको आप नेकलेस की तरह पहन सकते हैं with some of your V-neck tops or some dress which has a V-neck, and you can just flaunt this super big flower and it is just beautiful. It completely changes the glamour of the outfit, and I'm just in love with this jewelry. So I can also wear this in a third way, that is quickly show you again. Yes, so this is how it is, and we can just open a hook over here and it converts into a necklace. So this is what gives you a proper Indian look of a heavy necklace, and you can wear it with any of your earrings of your choice. So diamond is something that gives you the freedom to wear or pair the diamond necklace with any of the diamond earrings you have. So if suppose you have a single studded diamond earring, you can wear it with that. Yeah, so this gives a complete Indian look with the bindi on, with the necklace on, and that's how you can choose your jewelry wisely that can be converted into different things. So there are multiple heavy necklaces I have seen where the bottom part, this part is detached, is detachable actually. So whenever you wanna add it and make it a very heavy kind of jewelry, you can just add it below, and whenever you wanna remove it, you can just remove this one and have a sleek necklace. So invest in such kind of jewelry which gives you return in long run. So yeah, this was one for me, and I have another set that is simple pendant set, but the earrings add a lot of drama to it. I'll just quickly show that to you guys. Yeah, so this is the another set. So just wait on a moment, I'll just try that in front of you. So yes, that is how it looks with all your western outfits. So if you don't wear the necklace, you can just wear the earrings and they go perfectly with any of your western outfit or Indian outfit. Just see what magic it does when you remove the bindi, and it just completely transforms the entire look into a western outfit. However, I don't want to remove the bindi as of now. So just apply it again. So yeah, that is what I wanted to share with you majorly. But yes, I have a few more brownie ornaments to show you. One of those is this subtle ring which I wear daily, and I wear another ring as well for my daily wear ring. That is this one. This one was gifted to me by my father-in-law, and the other one was gifted to me by my husband on an occasion before the marriage. Next one, I have these bangles which is a single diamond studded bangle, and just rubies all over. So I just tend to wear these daily because I have read somewhere wearing ornaments have a significant effect on your entire system of the body. It works as acupressure. So yeah, I just never skip wearing a ring or earring. So these are the basics I wear daily. I know people are moving away from jewelry nowadays. Obviously this is a complete choice, personal preferences. You can do whatever you like. This is what I like and I like to do. And thank you so much for sparing your time with me for the video. Hope you liked the video, hope you enjoyed the content, hope you come back again. We'll be discussing some really good things about the wedding planning, about how a bride's conduct is required to be in the in-laws place. Thank you so much for all your time. Bye bye. Sorry, I forgot to mention, don't forget, just like I forgot to mention, you don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel, so that keeps me motivated, so that I can create more and more such content. It keeps me active. So recently my videos, the subscribers increase and I feel very happy about it. I will definitely incorporate your comments and your suggestions for my next videos, so keep commenting. Thank you so much.